Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. My mobile number 630-5826-909. Here I want to discuss the problem of transmission lines, that is a loss-free parallel wire transmission line of characteristic impedance 200 ohms. Here characteristic impedance Z0 200 ohms. Transmit power at frequency of 100 megahertz. Frequency F is 100 megahertz to a pure resistance load of 8 ohms. ZR is equal to 80 ohms. Calculate the position of attachment and the length of the short circuited stub of same construction as the feeder, which will correctly terminate the main length of the line. Here, by observing this problem, it belongs to single stub matching. So here we have to find out the position of the stub and the length of the stub. So for any problem, first of all we have to write down the given data, that is the ZR output impedance. ZR is equal to 80 ohms. Z0 characteristic impedance Z0 is equal to 200 ohms, and frequency F is equal to 100 megahertz. And we have to find out the position of attachment LS and length of the short circuited stub LT. So it belongs to single stub matching. In single stub matching, we have to find out the LS, position of the stub, and the length of the stub. So here this is the given data. So by using this given data, we have to find out the lambda value. Lambda is equal to C by F. So here C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by F, 10 into 10 power 6. What is value? 100 megahertz. 100 megahertz. So it is 300. It is also written as 300 into 10 power 6 by 100 into 10 power 6. So 10 power 6 cancel, 2 zeros cancel, it belongs to 3. So therefore lambda is equal to 3. Meters. Lambda is equal to 3 meters. So first we have to find out LS. LS is equal to LS, position of the stub. LS is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of ZR by Z0. So LS is equal to lambda is 3 by 2 pi into tan inverse of square root of ZR output impedance 80 by 200. So this value equal to 3 by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of 0.4. So by using the calculator, after calculating, LS value becomes LS value becomes 0.536 meters. This is the position of the stub from the load to the stub, the length, that is the position of stub is 0.536 meters, and then we have to find out the length of the stub, LT. So then the length of the stub L suffix T is equal to L suffix T is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of ZR into Z0 by ZR minus Z0. ZR minus Z0. So here in this equation, this is the formula for length of the stub. Then substitute LT is equal 3 by 2 pi into tan inverse of square root of the position of the, here we have to find out the length of the stub. LT is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse square root of ZR Z0 by ZR minus Z0. So in this equation we have to substitute the values. Then LT is equal to 3 by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of 80 into 200 by 80 minus 200. Then the value, after calculating, the value is given as LT is equal to 1.1125 meters. 1.1125 meters. This is the length of the stub. So this problem is completed. For any doubts, for daily classes, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. Thank you.